Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be learning how to make this origami parrot. To make this model, I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and keeping the white side on the top. I'll be starting with the plus crease. Then by keeping the color side on the top, make a cross crease. Now collapse the paper into preliminary base. This is an open end and that is a closed end. Keeping the open side on the top, bring two sides to the center crease. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. This is a pre-creasing. This will be helpful for our next step. Fold this triangle down and make a crease. Now open the pre-creasings. By keeping the white side on the top, just fold the paper into half diagonally. Now take the scissors and cut from this point till here. Open the paper and collapse the paper into preliminary base once again. You can see a slit like this. Now by lifting one flap, bringing two sides to the center, do the petal folding. Repeat the same thing on the other side. This base is called bird base. But in bird base there is no slit. To give the extra details in the bird, in a simple way, we have just given the slit. Fold down one flap. You can see small two flaps inside. Flatten this flap as shown. Repeat the same thing to the other side too. Now bring two sides to the center crease. For both sides. This is again a pre-creasing. Now open the flaps and make the petal folding. Do the same thing on the other side too. Now turn the model and one side you can see one flap and the other side you can see three flaps. So keeping the single flap on the top, bring two sides to the center crease. Turn the model and fold the small flaps as demonstrated. Now fold this flap By seeing the bottom flap, align it properly and make a crease. Repeat the same thing to other side too. Now fold the model into half. This side will become the bird's tail. By keeping this sharp end down, now we'll be working on this area. Fold this flap and make a crease. Open, align this line with this and make one more crease. Now by opening it, we can see 3 layers. Just take one layer towards outside and collapse it as shown. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Keep the single layer to the outer side. Then flatten the flap as shown. Now to create a curve shape on the bird's wings, fold in small triangle both the sides. Fold the flap as shown by keeping it parallel to this. This is again a pre-creasing. Now open the flap and do the inside reverse fold. Now bring this tip till here and make a crease. Fold it back by leaving around 2 mm. This is called step fold. And fold it back as shown. Now to create the beak, fold down like this and make a pinch as demonstrated. Now to make the bird's toes, do the pre-creasing. Then open the flap and do the inside reverse fold and make a pinch. Origami Parrot is done. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.